What else can we give to the school?
Not that, not that, not that, not that, not that. Oh, not that,
What are you going to give them?
I want to know.
Find something. Hurry up. What are you going to give them? Your book bag?
Inside something.
You going to give it to them?
Hey, my fire truck is inside.
Give them the fire truck.
No, Mom.
I thought you were going to give them the book bag.
I don't know.
Go give them the book bag.
No, Mom, you can't set everything in it. Oh, boy.
So what are you going to give them?
Oh, no.
You gave them nothing. All this stuff and you can't find one thing to give to the school?
Sorry. What's a sorry? I don't want no stuff.
What? You said sorry what?
I'm sorry, we don't have enough stuff. Papa, movie.